Hi guys, today we're going to go ahead and show you how to do a stencil bleach shirt. This particular shirt is a Walmart Time and Tru. This is the one with the split hems. This is $11.88. It's usually in the women's department. We're going to use these 2-leaf vinyl placemats that I got. I find most of my placemats and stuff at Ross. It just seems to be the easiest place to find things. And then we're going to use some bleach. Make sure your bleach is good. Do not use old bleach or you'll have a hard time bleaching. And these particular sweatshirts actually bleach really well. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go ahead and take our placemats and place them how we want them. Just like that. And take our bleach. I actually use mine in an old Febreze bottle, an old Windex bottle. It seems to do really well, and then I don't have to worry about the bleach eating these bottles and having to pay to replace them. So it just makes it easier and more cost effective. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just kind of lightly mist our design. And then just to add a little bit more color and stuff going on, just kind of slowly squeeze and give some color over here. And there you have it. Now we're just going to go ahead and let this sit and play the waiting game. There you guys have it. We're just going to go ahead and remove these, and as you can see, the stencil leaves a really good impression of the bleach. And that's it. We're going to just go ahead and we're actually going to toss this in the washer and on a cold cycle to help reduce any bleaching effects. And then we'll be all done. And there you guys have it. If you guys have any questions or any concerns, please feel free to comment them. If you like this video or wish to see more, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Thanks guys.